If you're tired of wondering where your paycheck went at the end of the month, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Wealthway, and today, we're diving into the thrilling world of financial literacy. And I promise, it's going to be more exciting than watching paint dry. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, onto the video. Ever wondered why your wallet resembles a barren wasteland even after payday? Well, you're not alone. Most of us are out here living like Peter, who throws away his hard-earned cash on barbecues and useless liabilities. But fear not. You can transform your financial future even if you've been a Peter. And let me drop a little knowledge bomb on you. 70% of lottery winners end up broke. Why? It's all about that financial education. Reason 1. Conventional wisdom. Picture this. You're a kid and your mom drops the timeless wisdom bomb. Money doesn't grow on trees. It's a catchy phrase, but it's also the root of financial ignorance for many. Reason number 1 for our financial cluelessness. Conventional wisdom. These well-intentioned phrases and cliches have shaped our beliefs about money. We've been conditioned to think that financial security is as mythical as a unicorn. But we're here to tell you, that's a load of hogwash. We're flipping the script, shattering those money myths, and diving into a world where abundance is the norm. Debt? It's not the boogeyman under your financial bed. It's a tool. Like a trusty wrench, you just need to know how to handle it. Say goodbye to the financial fairy tales and say hello to the cold, hard, cash facts. Reason 2. Comfort zone and self-esteem. Raise your hand if you've ever been afraid of success. Well, don't be shy. You're not alone. Welcome to reason number 2 of why so many of us remain stuck in financial quicksand. Our comfort zones and self-esteem. Confidence is the golden key that unlocks your financial future. Imagine yourself as a financial rock star, the Mick Jagger of money, and watch those riches roll in like a roaring crowd at a concert. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of financial education, you need to make sure your self-esteem is ready to rock and roll. It's a bit like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You've got to believe you deserve to be wealthier and happier. The confident, charismatic image you hold of yourself will fuel your courage to step out of your financial comfort zone. After all, as someone wise once said, most people aren't successful because they're afraid of success. So let's conquer that fear, step into the spotlight, and start making money moves. Now, let's get into the 4 rules that will make you the financial guru you were born to be. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Imagine standing at the edge of a pool. You wouldn't jump in without knowing how to swim, would you? The same principle applies to investments. It's rule number 1 in our financial playbook. Don't invest in what you don't understand. You see, investing isn't a game of chance. It's a game of knowledge and strategy. Just like diving into a pool, you need to know the depth, temperature, and potential risks. Before you throw your hard-earned money into the financial pool, dive into learning. Understand the market, the assets, and the risks involved. It's like studying the currents before taking the plunge. Jumping into investments without knowledge is like leaping into the deep end without a life jacket. So remember, invest in your financial education before you invest in anything else. Rule 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. Debt, my friends, is a double-edged lightsaber in the world of finance. Use it wisely and you'll become a Jedi of finance, harnessing its power to achieve your financial dreams. But wield it recklessly and you'll find yourself tumbling down the dark side of debt, a place where financial nightmares become a reality. You might think of debt like a financial Sith, but it's more like a tool. Consider it your lightsaber in the battle for financial success. Just as a Jedi needs to learn to control their lightsaber, you must learn to master debt. Good debt is the path to building wealth. It's like using the Force for good. It helps you invest in opportunities that multiply your wealth. On the flip side, bad debt is like succumbing to the temptations of the dark side, leading you into financial chaos. So remember, choose your debt wisely and become the Jedi Knight of your financial destiny, not the Sith Lord of financial despair. Rule 3. Think rich. Enough with a penny pinching. Rule number 3 is all about thinking rich and living like you're on the brink of financial greatness. It's time to upgrade your financial mindset from coupon clipping to wealth creating. No, we're not saying you should blow your paycheck on luxury cars and yachts. Instead, invest in yourself and your dreams. Believe that you're destined for financial greatness and that your financial aspirations are within reach. Thinking rich is about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's a mindset shift that transforms your approach to money. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to the latest smartphone. Suddenly, you can see and do so much more. So don't scrimp and save every penny. Focus on expanding your skills, gaining knowledge, and making strategic investments that align with your vision. Your financial success begins with how you think about money, and thinking rich is your ticket to a wealthier future. Rule 4. Develop skills. Your brain is your most valuable asset, and you can make it work like a money-making machine. Rule number 4 is all about developing the skills necessary to acquire assets and build wealth. It's like turning your brain into a cash printer. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Your brain? It's the ultimate asset, and you can develop it to become even more valuable. High-income skills are your ticket to success. They bring value to the market and they can make you a lot of money. Instead of relying on someone else for a paycheck, you become the one creating opportunities and generating income. So the next time you think about expanding your wealth, focus on developing skills. It's like leveling up in a video game. You become more powerful and capable of acquiring assets that will secure your financial future. Your brain is the key to your financial kingdom. Make sure it's well equipped to reign supreme. That's a wrap. Money magicians. If you found this video as enlightening as finding a $20 bill in your old jeans, smash that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. We're all in this together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more financial wizardry. Until our next encounter, continue on your journey to financial prosperity, because here at Wealthway, we're confident that your wealth is well within your reach.